Hello students, how are you? I am Samreen. Hope you are all fine. Today is the second lecture of this chapter, so let us start the second lecture, that is the structure of the cell. Structure of the cell. Cell is made from the different parts. First part is cell wall. Second is cell membrane. Third is cytoplasm. And inside the cell there is a nucleus. I will tell the functions separately. First, what is cell wall? Cell wall is, students, remember that cell wall is the outer wall of the cell, but it is present only in the plant cells. I already told you that plants have also cells and animals have also cells. But the difference is that plant cells have cell wall, extra wall, that is cell wall. But animal cells have no cell wall. Therefore, I have discussed here in detail. So, I will tell that what is the function of cell wall in the plant. Cell wall in the plant protect the cell and has a fixed shape, and it gives the strength. That is, it is strong and rigid. It has fixed shape. So, after cell wall, now cell membrane, which is the outer wall of the animal cell. In animal cell, no cell wall is present. Cell wall, it controls the passage of material into and out of the cell. जो भी चीज़ें सेल की अंदर लेनी हो या बाहर लेनी हो, वो cell membrane कंट्रोल करता है in animals. It also protects cell and gives shape. It has no fixed shape. The shape of the cell membrane can change according to the condition. It protects the cell and gives the shape. Next is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance present inside the cell, and in the cytoplasm there are many organelles which we have to study in detail. Example, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, etc. We have to study all the functions in detail. Here I have to only tell the structure of the cell. Inside the cell is the main thing, that is the nucleus. Just like our brain controls all the functions of our body, similarly the nucleus of the cell controls all the functions of the cell. I repeat, it is called the brain of the cell. Just like our body is controlled by brain, similarly the nucleus of the cell controls the functions of the cell. So, if we look in detail the nucleus, in nucleus there is the membrane that is called the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is present outside the nucleus, and inside the nucleus is the nucleolus and chromatin. What is chromatin? Chromatin forms the chromosome during the cell division. क्रोमोसोम्स होते क्या हैं स्टूडेंट्स? ये आपका बेसिक है 8th क्लास के लिए मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि क्रोमोसोम्स वो स्ट्रक्चर है स्टूडेंट्स जो हेरिडिटी पास करता है फ्रॉम पेरेंट टू चिल्ड्रन. जैसे किसी का फादर टॉल है या मदर टॉल है, ठीक है, तो बोलते हैं कि ये अगर बच्चा भी टॉल है तो बोलते हैं ये बच्चा बाप की तरह गया है लंबा. किसी का इंटेलिजेंस, कोई इतना इंटेलिजेंट होता है कि उसके या तो दादाजी इंटेलिजेंट हो या उसके पापा इंटेलिजेंट हो या मामा इंटेलिजेंट हो, ठीक है, तो किसी न किसी की क्रोमोसोम उसमें ट्रांसफ़र हो गई है उस बच्चे में ड्यूरिंग सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, which you will study in another chapter in detail. So, chromosomes, there are 23 pairs of chromosome in a cell. That is 46 chromosome. They transfer the characteristics from parent to the next generation. Now, the cytoplasm and nucleus of the cell together is called the protoplasm. Protoplasm, what is protoplasm? It is also your question. Protoplasm means cytoplasm and nucleus both constitutes the protoplasm, cytoplasm and nucleus. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. And if you want any kind of notes, please WhatsApp me on 9906 468 551. Thanks again.